Yes. Highlight the other characters which are there in I Want Something in a Cage.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, some characters, ma'am, there is one character that is free from a prison. He is he is freed in a prison from 10 years and has got $5 within 10 years.
How did he earn money despite being a prisoner?
Ma'am, he earned money by hard labor.
All right. So, how his role is important in this chapter? What role does he play? Focus on that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Then the important role of that character is that he buys he buys a cake in when he buys a cake with clones with $5 of his 10 years and he frees the clones because he knows the pain of life that should be saved.
Hmm. So somehow you may also add like he wanted to get a feel of this freedom which he had received after a decade, and he wanted to do something which can make him realize that yes, I'm actually free now. So that's the reason he purchased a pair of birds, right? So that the birds can be freed from the prison, that little prison, and they can fly again in the sky. Okay. So now, you dropped a message for your friend and asked him to come to your future get together party. There are so like the it's been long that you have not met your classmates and other close nearby friends, so you are going to make a birthday kind of no, sorry, not a birthday, but it's a kind of get together invite, and the get together is going to be venued at your home only. Now the condition is you need to draft the body of that invite in future tense. Future all kinds can be accompanied: simple, progressive, perfect, perfect, progressive. Right?
Continuous.
Yeah, progressive means continuous. It's a kind of synonym. Have you understood the task? You need to frame an invite for get together party at your house. The language should be such that it has to have usage of simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous.
Yes, ma'am. Let me start my
Yeah,
recording.
yeah, yeah, you may. Okay, Aditya, how many else are here for their quick oral come revision? Yashmit, you keep framing. You do not get distracted. Frame your party message. Aditya, what have you prepared? Grammar, literature. So, can we have some discussion on dad, cat, and the tree? Open your camera first. Not like that. Open it. Open your camera. Position it nicely. Only half of your face is visible on screen. Yeah, this way it is better. So now you tell me what is happening in that cat and the tree. Name the poet.
In this moment, dad is trying to save dad is trying to help her cat.
Why? How many members can be seen throughout the poem?
And in this there are four members.
Right? Okay. Who are they? Name them. Dad, cat.
When they are husband, then dad, cat, and then this daughter, and then some cat.
All right. So dad's wife is also a cat. Then a human.
Cat and one cat and one cat and then one father and one wife and then one dog.
Right. So like, what is the situation? What's happening? How will you summarize it? Begin that summary.
Then in this there is the cat and moving go at the tree and then then the cat was fighting like and he is very and he he is trying to run like that air and then
What special efforts does the father take in order to save the cat? Have you ever yourself stuck on a tree? Try. Your dad may also come to your rescue. Obviously you're not a cat, but definitely, like, so as a parent, what measures did the father take to ensure that the child, his own child, can be at peace and the cat can also be saved?
then they try to and they try they see
How many plans did he make?
then second one.
Tell me the third one.
Then third one they and they go to and then they send the cat looks on the ground and eat the
A lot of grammatical structure is, like, not correct in this. Vivek, what was the third plan? Your voice is very low, Vivek. You can either come close. He jumped. Who jumped where? That you don't know. Lovely. So this is how your preparation is going on, huh? How many? Is there any other poem in your syllabus of UT too? The Mystery of Talking Fan. Struggling for the title name, huh? Lovely, lovely. I can see very well. So we have Prince Pal also. Prince, are you here? Prince. Okay, Prince is not responding, so he might not be present in the class. So, Mystery of the Talking Fan. May I have the name of poet? Anybody? Maud Rubin. Yes or no? Maud Rubin is the poet. Actually, not the poet. She's the poetess. She's the poetess, right? So, what does she see? She sees that it's the fan in her room. Once upon a time, it's a fan that was creating a lot of chatter. And that chatter for the young girl. the poetess, for the chatter, she presumed it to be some kind of noise, some kind of talk. She assumed that the fan is doing some kind of chit chat with the little girl, and the noise the girl could not able to understand, but she longed in her heart, she longed to identify that what the fan was saying. One day she'll find out. But this wish of her could be fulfilled or not. It could not be fulfilled. It was not fulfilled. In a couple of days, a technician repaired the fan, did some oiling, and the noise which was coming from the fan, that was presumed as a chit chat, a kind of chatter, it was gone. Yes or no? It's a 4 5 line long poem, not more than that. It shows enough. Like you people are not revising it well. You people can keep your pages on the table. Pages on the table. Right. So yes, Yashmit, are you ready with your invite? Only you're responding sincerely. Aditya too did try, but Vivek seems not to be prepared that much. I just wonder why. Yes, you may recite your invite. Get together invite. Begin. Then what you were doing? You asked me for some time, right? So write it fastly. It need not to be very detailed one like a notice. Okay? Just jot down the points, the pointers, the bullet points around which your entire get together invite will be formed. And when I'll ask you, okay, you speak, so you may include those pointers and can add sentences to each pointers. Hope I'm clear this now. Yeah, try that way. Unsung heroes of freedom struggle. This is one topic. And the next topic is my vision for India in 2047. In 2047, India will complete 100 years of independence. Yes or no? So, frame a message that either can be based on this or either can be based on this. Understood now? No, no. You can ask for PDFs from your friend. No child will give you any notebook. Why? Ask a name. Tell me a name. Okay, children. So I will say that in my next lecture, keep revising. I'll be asking questions only, cause this 3 4 days hardly left, and then your PT2 are going to be hell, right? So keep revising, and the writing, grammar, literature, supplementary. Revise it. If you face any difficulty, let me know in time. Thank you.